In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a page in Confluence. Let's get started by opening Confluence and heading to the space where you want your new page to live. A space is like a folder for a team, project, or topic. Picking the right span create space on application just helps people find your content later, so make sure you're in the place your audience already uses. If you can't access the space you're looking for, you might need permission from your admin. Once you're in the correct space, click Create. You'll usually find this at the top of the page or in the main navigation. Clicking it opens a new draft so you can start building right away. Confluence saves as you go, but it's still a good idea to pause occasionally and make sure everything looks the way you expect. Next, choose between a blank page or a template. A blank page gives you total freedom to structure the content however you like. Templates, on the other hand, come with helpful headings, formatting, and prompts tailored to common use cases such as meeting notes, project plans, or how-to guides. If you're not sure, preview a few templates to see which one matches your goal. You can always customize a template after you select it. Now add a clear page title. Think about how someone would search for this information later. Use concise keywords, include the project or team name if relevant, and avoid vague phrases. A strong title makes the page easier to find and sets expectations for readers. With the title in place, write your content in the editor. Start with a brief summary or purpose at the top, then break the body into logical sections using headings. Keep paragraphs short and use lists where they make information easier to scan. If you're referencing specific processes or decisions, be explicit and use consistent terms. Clarity here saves your readers time and prevents misunderstandings. Enhance your page with tables, images, links, or macros as needed. Tables are great for structured data, like timelines or responsibility matrices. Images can illustrate designs or screenshots. Use links to connect related pages, external resources, or documents. Macros add powerful dynamic elements. Think status lozenges, a table of contents that auto-updates, or embeds that keep information in one place. Add only what supports your message so the page stays clean and readable. When you're satisfied, click Publish to add the page to Confluence. Your draft becomes visible to others with access to the space, and you can return any time to edit and improve it. That's all it takes. Simple, structured, and shareable.